Hello everyone, this is Dipesh and today we are going to see virtual mind, a very core concept of brain chain and how it can create a social capital revolution. So what is a virtual mind? To understand using a metaphor, it is a combination of conscious brain and unconscious brain. So what is in conscious brain? So all your resume, tweets, posts, papers, patents, everything that you can think of in the text format that you have consciously created, it will go into the conscious brain. And unconscious brain, the books that you have read, maybe the Goodreads history that we can crawl, then YouTube history, YouTube videos history, browsing history, all your Google browsing history. Obviously, all the objection worthy content would be automatically excluded. Then the tweets you have browsed, reels you have browsed, the movies you have watched on Netflix or any other media, OTT platforms, then the documentaries you have watched. So all this comes under your unconscious brain. So this together will form a very big text corpus, which we call as the virtual mind and brain chain. So then why to build your virtual mind? All this data is out there. Already Google is using it for advertising. Already LinkedIn is using it for advertising. But then we are not using this data to our leverage, our benefit. So the idea was to use this data for our benefit and beginning with like building a social capital for ourselves. So how you can build a social capital? Through connect with the most relevant people who have this data. I mean, like their data and your data says that you are a perfect match for each other, and you can connect with that person. Then collaboration opportunities on any freelancing project or any side hustle that you can collaborate together. Then communicate. Like we human beings are very raw at communication. Very few in the entire society have really mastered the art of communication. So an AI could help you. Okay, Dipesh, just tell this to Ajendra. Talk about this to Ajendra, and Ajendra, you just talk about this to this with this page. So like this, you can communicate together. Then you can barter intelligently. That okay, you teach me this concept and I'll teach you this concept. So an intelligent barter could be done with your virtual mind. And obviously, syncing can also be done. That okay, you have a real expertise in marketing, and I just want to develop an expertise in marketing. So how can we sync that two together? So everything like we are working on this, and I'll bring out I'll explain all of these individually in future coming videos. So then again, the thing comes that why to do this? So why to do this is to build a social capital revolution. Think about 1 million new connections and 1,000 new collaborations amongst the brightest and the most philanthropic minds on earth. What change could it bring? Tremendous change. So that is what BrainChain was initially created, and that is what we'll be working towards.